What if you could deliver crystal clear sound to a single person in a room, with complete silence just a step away? Welcome to Ultrasonic speakers, and welcome to Directional Audio's ultrasonic speaker range. Unlike conventional speakers, ultrasonic models use high-frequency sound waves that self-demodulate in the air, creating audio only within a narrow beam. That means sound doesn't spread. It's tightly controlled, deeply focused, and almost completely silent outside the target zone. Let's take a look at the 5 unique solutions in our ultrasonic lineup, each tailored for different use cases and environments. The Audio Spotlight by Ultrasonic is our most popular ultrasonic model range and comes in 3 sizes. It's ultra-focused, ultra-discreet, and ideal for spaces like museums, retail, or exhibitions where audio needs to stay contained and invisible. Hypersound offers precision in smaller, more controlled environments, perfect for interactive kiosks, product counters, or even assisted hearing applications. It's lightweight and compact, with strong clarity even at low volume, and the option of stereo output. The X2 ultrasonic panel is designed for high-end commercial installations that demand minimal footprint and close-range sound focus. The L1 speaker delivers strong speech intelligibility and performs especially well with a wider target field, like localized announcements, digital signage, or in-store advertising. The Acoustic Arts Model B is sleek, minimalist, and known for delivering sound that feels like it's coming from nowhere, ideal for luxury retail or avant-garde art installations. Whether it's privacy, precision, or pure sonic control, ultrasonic speakers give you sound exactly where you want it, and silence everywhere else. Explore the full ultrasonic range at Directional Audio, or get in touch for a free consultation or to book a demo.